my side, yeah, we counting racks on my shirt. I made it work. Praying to the sky, yeah, I keep my head held high. Younger days, born and raised, falling apart the seams, focus on my dreams. Feel like nobody cares, feel the drama to spare. That's a whole heart attack, you better watch your back. Strive to survive, that's just how I stay alive. You keep calling, know that I'm ballin', can't know the dip. Can't lose my grip, I gotta stay edged. Living life on the edge, feel my crown, won't bring me down. All these things, gotta keep the glory. I'm on a mission, always on the climb. Rise and I shine, stacking up my bonuses. Gotta stay focused, blessings all the way. Watch me elevate, I ain't got time to play. On my grind every day, ain't gon' lift it. Gotta switch up, watch me go, grab a back full. Watch me unstoppable, won't stop me change. Move through the page, y'all sound lame. Swerve through the lanes, never place up, can't get enough. It's all cold and rough, got nothing to lose. Gotta get a clue, yeah, all eyes on the loose. Ride with a cool, ain't never gonna stop me. I stay unbothered, shining brightly. Gotta let it define me, gotta be the best. No time to rest, pick that phone, feeling real alone. Got nothing to hide, never run, never phase my vibe. Stack it high, grind that right, now we living real life. Gonna be alright, all through the night, loving that hate. Gotta be my apprentice, I feel real and it's lavish. I don't care, they can't help but stare. I don't need no flip, yeah, I'm on a trip. Getting in bags, feel the pleasure and the pain, pushing my lanes.